Ever asked an AI a question and got an answer that's completely off? Like, what color is the ball, when there's no ball in the image? That's a hallucination, a tricky glitch in AI systems that mix text and images. Today, we're cracking the code on why this happens and how researchers are fixing it. So what's a multimodal AI? Think of it as a super smart robot that can see and read at the same time. It processes images and text to answer questions. But here's the problem. When the image and text don't align, like a question about a ball that's not there, the AI gets confused. This is called modality conflict, and it's the main reason for those weird, made-up answers. Imagine a game of telephone where the image and text send mixed signals. The AI can't tell which one to trust. For example, if the image shows a dog surfing but the question is, what color is the ball? The AI might hallucinate a green ball, even though it's not there. The real answer: the image doesn't have a ball, but how do you teach an AI to spot that? Researchers created a special dataset called MMMC, short for Multimodal Modality Conflict, to test this. They paired real images with tricky questions that clash with the visuals, like asking about a ball in a dog surfing photo. It's like a puzzle set designed to trip up AI and see how it handles contradictions. To fix this, they tested 3 smart solutions. 1. Prompt engineering, rewarding questions to guide the AI like adding, check the image first. 2. Supervised fine-tuning, training the model with corrected answers, like a tutor helping it learn the right patterns. 3. Reinforcement learning, rewarding the AI when it avoids guessing, like giving stickers for correct answers. The winners: reinforcement learning. It slashed hallucinations the most. But here's the twist: supervised fine-tuning was steady and reliable. It's like the dependable friend who always gets the job done, even if it's not the flashiest. This isn't just about fixing errors, it's about building AI that thinks, not just guesses. As these models get smarter, understanding modality conflict helps us create systems that are more trustworthy. Imagine AI helping doctors diagnose diseases or guiding astronauts without making up facts. The future is brighter and more accurate because of this research. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how this tech shapes the future, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what's a question you'd love to ask an AI without it making up answers? Now let's zoom in on the mechanics. When an AI processes a multimodal input, it's essentially running 2 parallel pipelines, one for visual data and one for textual data. These pipelines must align to produce a coherent response. But when they don't, like in a modality conflict, the model's internal logic falters. It's not just a simple error, it's a failure to reconcile disparate information streams. So how do researchers fix this? They've been testing AI models with 3 clever tools. First, prompt engineering, a quick check to see if the image even has the info the question assumes. Then, a reward model that compares 2 answers to spot contradictions. And finally, LLM Judge, a system that acts like a teacher, grading how well an answer matches the truth. Let's look at the results. Some models like GPT-4o did pretty well, but others, let's just say they struggled. One model had a 91% hallucination rate in tricky tests, meaning almost every answer was wrong. But when researchers added reinforcement learning, a fancy way of letting AI learn from mistakes, things improved. The best models cut hallucinations by over 50% in some cases. Why does this matter? Think about AI helping doctors read X-rays or robots navigating factories. If the AI misreads an image, the consequences could be serious. By teaching models to question conflicting data, we're making them more reliable, like giving them a built-in fact-checker. So next time you chat with an AI, remember, behind the scenes, scientists are working hard to stop those "I don't see that" moments. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how these ideas work in action, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments. What's one thing you'd want AI to never hallucinate about? Stay curious.